In this video, I am going to teach you how to make a windscreen claim with Admiral Insurance. This process is quick and can be done entirely online without needing to call. Make sure you have your vehicle details and policy number ready before starting. Let's get started. First, go to admiral.com and click Claims at the top right corner. This will take you to the main claims section of the website. Next, click Motor in the option. This will filter claims related to your car insurance. Then, scroll down and click New Claim. This opens the page where you can begin the claims process. Next in the option, choose I'm only claiming for windscreen or glass damage. This ensures your claim goes directly to the right department. Now click Start My Glass Claim Online. You'll be redirected to the form to begin entering your details. Enter your registration number, then click Get Started. This will pull up your vehicle information from the system. In the choices, choose Windscreen. Make sure you select the correct glass section that needs repair or replacement. Now choose the amount of damage. This could be a small chip, crack, or full replacement. Click Continue. You will proceed to policy details. Just input them. Ensure all information matches your policy so the claim is processed without delay. And that's how you make a windscreen claim with Admiral Insurance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple guides. See you next time!